Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. This video for 12th standard applied mathematics. Okay, so usually now the children are asking me, Sir, applied mathematics, what to study? See how soon they are asking this question. Anyway, so only 1 month more. So in the how you want to study. So definitely I will say the important one thing. What now? 12th standard applied mathematics student support material which is given by the CBSE that you have to study like anything. Sir, in my school they preferred only APC publications, sir. They preferred Goyal, sir. Before coming the student support material not yet released, so only I preferred that. Okay, I am asking very simple questions to you all children. What is that simple question? In 10th standard you have completed mathematics and you came here for 12th. Okay, did you studied R.D. Sharma first or R.S. Agarwal or any other subject, any other the author book only first, or NCERT you have completed then you studied author book? Did you answer my question? Maximum people will study NCERT as a basic, then only as added thing only you have studied as a R.D. Sharma or R.S. Agarwal or Manjeet Singh, whatever else. Same way, now student support material complete like anything, both example and exercise, then go for what? Whether you can go for anything. Okay, other things. Sir, question bank is coming. Arihant okay wa sir? APC okay wa sir? That also after completing or after getting the concepts, formulas, that after thorough only. So in that way, so now we're going to talk about unit 4 probability distribution. Before that I want to clarify one thing, children. You know our channel Max Plus U is exclusively till now done for the children who is in Tamil Nadu, that too who knows Tamil, not only in Tamil Nadu, if you are there in other what state also, for who knows Tamil. So I just want to used to talk in Tamil and somewhat English for technical terms. But this time, since applied mathematics, I don't think so that many videos came for applied mathematics from the CBSE teachers, from the working. So in that way I just tried. So some other people other than Tamil Nadu or other than who is not well versed in Tamil, anyone is watching our channel or anyone going to utilize this concepts now, let them will try. For that only I just want to do this video in English. So I want the people who is non-Tamil people or who is not that much good in Tamil, they want to understand. Okay, definitely language should not be a barrier. So I just tried. So you just see how it is, and as the same way the people who in Tamil Nadu and good in our mother tongue has been Tamil, for you it's okay also, kindly check and tell me. Okay, I need your comments, children. I need the applied mathematics students comments. That's only will motivate me to do more videos. So I'm going to start about that now probability distribution. Already I have done 2 videos, that in matrices, video number 1 and 2, that I have done in the Tamil. You just see that how it is, then we can go for this probability distribution. Okay, that videos and all I will just keep in our description. You can check in our channel Max Plus U. Okay, coming back to applied mathematics. So what we going to do? Probability distribution. You know, children, how many marks is there for that? 10 marks literally out of 40 marks. But for 50 marks the questions going to come. So nearly 13 marks, around 13 marks you can get from probability distribution. What a weightage. Okay, can we go for it? First, question number 1. A random variable capital X as the following probability distribution. Okay, what they have given here? So they are saying random variable. Okay, randomly one variable. Whatever you take, go. So in that one capital X and P of X, you know, probability of X. So they have given the table column 0. X 0 means you are getting K. X 1 na, again you are getting K. X 2 na 2K. X 3 na 3K. Sir, I have eyes. You don't want to pronounce. We know to see. Yeah, anyway, I'm just saying once all these things. The value of K is what? That's why they're asking. They have given you 4 options. Okay, so now we will try to solve question number 1. What are you going to do? What I will do? So they have given probability distribution and they are asking, okay, we all know total probability is 1. Isn't it, children? Total probability equals 1. That's nothing but summation. You all know summation? Summation PI equals to 1. These and all we know. You want to write for MCQ? No, don't want to write. Just you. I'm just saying you. This is only like that. So probability summation. You have to add all these things. So can we add, children? So k plus 2k plus 3k plus. In mind itself, if you want to add, I'm very happy about it. But anyway, since I'm teaching once, so I'm just writing all these things. 7k square plus 2k equals 1. Is this clear for you all? Okay. So now add k plus 2k, all this stuff kindly add. Before that, k square, 2k square, 7k square, like terms. Okay. So if you are considering k square as chocolate, 7 chocolate plus 2 chocolate plus chocolate. So 9 chocolate, 10 chocolate. You're coming to 12th standard, you're talking about chocolate, like that now. Okay. So somewhat it's associated with us. So k plus k, 2k, 4k, 7k. What is this, sir? What k you got? Can you all add it, children? Add it and tell me what you have got. I got 9k, children. What about you? Equals 1. So 10k square plus 9k equals 1. I got it. What about you? Kindly tell me. So plus 1 goes that side now, minus 10k square plus 9k minus 1 equals to 0. So I repeat whatever you have done. Total probability, one probability values and all we have added. K plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus 2k equals 1. And I have added like terms 7k square, k square, 2k square I have added. And I got it as 10k square. Okay. Then plus 9k equals 1 is there. That goes that side now, minus 1. Now we're going to factorize it and get the answer. You all know to factorize, isn't it, children? So multiplying now, 10 into minus 1. Both you have to multiply. Minus 1 and 10 you want to multiply. Sir, I know 9th standard itself, splitting middle term we have studied. That means factorization. Very happy. Suppose if you have forgot these things, I'm just reminding you. So minus 1 and 10 both you want to multiply. So, and you will get as minus 10. Then middle number you have to write middle. So you have to select the two numbers. The two numbers multiplied now minus 10. The same two numbers added now you have to get 9. Multiplying now minus 10, adding now 9. What number, sir? So definitely 10 and 1. 10 ones are 10. Exactly. But I have to get minus 10 and I have to get, when I'm adding, I have to get 9. So 10 and minus 1 have chosen. So 10 and minus 1 if I have taken 10 into minus 1 I am getting minus 10 and 10 and minus 1 if I am subtracting I am getting 9. First correct. Is this correct? Kindly check. Yes sir, correct only. Proceed. Now I will start proceeding. 10k square plus 10k minus 1k minus 1 equals 0. So how much is clear? You check, children. So I have taken the 9k splitting the middle term as plus 10k minus 1k. Okay, happy? So splitting middle term now, the 3 terms have made it as a 4 terms. So now you have to try to take something common here. 10k I have taken common. Okay, common now, you know, children. Okay, dividing. Okay, 10k I have taken common now. I will get 1k here plus again 10k common now 1. 10k I have taken common, k plus 1. Did you all agree? 10k. Take it out. Okay, then I am getting k plus 1. Minus 1k minus 1. Take minus 1 as common. K plus 1. I hope so. All the 12th standard students, whoever taken applied mathematics, you should know the basic things. Okay, k plus 1 I have taken common here. And I will get it at 10k minus 1 equals to 0. Suppose anyone not understood to factorize or splitting the middle term here, kindly check in YouTube itself how to factorize or how to split the middle term like that. You will get more videos in your language itself. You watch it, practice splitting middle term, then only these type of questions will be easy for you. So k plus 1 equals to 0, k equals minus 1, one concept. 10k minus 1 equals to 0 now. So both I am equating ma. So 10k equals to 1, k equals to 1 by 10. So if I have applied, sir, two values, super, k minus 1, k 1 by 10. That is, sir, option is there, Sir, two option not there, sir. Bad people. Only one option they have given. So like that you may think. But the concept or important thing what you have to understand, the k you supposed to substitute in the probability. Isn't it? We all know from the smaller classes, very important things we have studied. What now? Probability of an event lies between 0 or lies from 0 to 1. Okay, from 0 to 1 only. So if I have applied k equals to minus 1, then probability will be negative. Is any possibility probability can be negative? No, na. So in that sense, not possible. K equal to minus 1, not possible. Then what will be the value? If you are asking me, obviously I will tell you k equals to what? Exactly, k equals 1 by 10 only will be the answer. So k equals to 1 by 10. Which options you kindly check, children? In my point of view, option D. Usually writing answer and all correct. Option alone I have written wrongly. Like that sometime it will come. So be careful about it. Okay, you want to share in where? You want to share in OMR sheet. So be careful about it. Okay, first question clear. Kindly check, children. Any doubts is there, you can ask me. I hope so it's clear. So want to go for the question number 2. So question number 2, if you are going now, for the following distribution, find variance and standard deviations they are asking. So again the tabular column only, probability distribution table they have given you, and they are asking us to find variance and standard deviation. Can we do, children? Okay, we'll try. Okay, if you want to do, you should know the basic thing. What is the basic thing now? Mean is nothing but another name is expected value, that is nothing but E of x. E of x formula summation xi pi, or we may call it as summation x into p of x. Okay, so summation na, you know, sum up. So x and p of x you have to multiply here. See, sorry children, I have been somewhat hey and all coming now. Don't think I mean Hindi. Just I'm just practicing. So 14 and 3 by 20 both you multiply and you just add summation. Summation in the sense sum up. Okay, 14 into 3 by 20. Then plus 17 into 5 by 20. Plus 18 into 2 by 20. This and all. What, sir? This smaller class children also will do nicely, sir. Exactly. Easy only. Do properly. Xi pi, x p of x multiply. Summation. Okay, so we are adding. If suppose the question variance, standard deviation, all they are not asked. Only mean they have asked. This itself will be over. So we'll continue. Then plus 25 into 2 by 20 plus 26 into again 2 by 20. Is this clear? Kindly check, children. So what we want to do it? 14 3s are 42 are correct, check. 42 by 20. Then 17 5s are 85 by 20. Then what and all is there? 18 2s are 36 by 20. Then 19 3s are 57 by 20. Then 21 3s are 63 by 20. Then 25 2s are 50 by 20. 26 2s are 52 by 20. Till now, kindly you are also getting a kindly check, children. 20 is a common then you have to add all the things. Sir, addition only or work, sir? Exactly. You people are very fond of in accountancy. Addition and all, nothing for you. Accountancy, commerce students, you people. Okay, va? So if I have divided with actually first two tables, so I wanted to get two table and all, 5 won't go. You don't know, even though let it be in decimal. I done 192.5 by 10. Whenever divisible by 10, one decimal I have moved and I got 19.25. Sir, I won't divide like this. I know proper division. 385 by 20. Chal, I will divide. Okay, you are with children. So like that also properly may divide it. You wanted to get 19.25, that is E of x. Okay, another way of E of x is what? Expected value. Okay, expectation, expected value, like that they may give. They may ask you mean, all these things. But they, now I'm not asked these questions and all. They have asked you variance and standard deviation, even though I'm saying you E of x, the word they have given you. Now itself, only expected value or mean they have given. You can stop here. So I may give you homework children in this way, expected value or mean, like that I asked now. You can stop in E of x. That means summation xi pi, summation x into p of x. That alone you have completed enough. These stuff and all just for you want to understand, so only I have written these steps. But since you're going to do in MCQ, how in mind itself you are calculating, or just roughly you are doing some steps alone also enough. So it's all in your hand how you fastly going to do. This is clear for you children? Okay, so now we have done what we have done. We have found E of x. Okay, so now we're going to find E of x square. Okay, can we try? E of x square value, our formula summation x square pi, summation xi square pi, that is nothing but summation x square p of x. Summation x square, now each number you want to square. 14 square into 3 by 20 plus, since summation is there, 17 square into 5 by 20, like that. So x square, 14 14s are 196. Sir, what's this sum? That too, this is question is available in student support material. Same question if they have asked in your exam. Sir, how sir you predicted this question but asked in exam, like that you have commented now. So I'm being very happy children, not for this sum, like this. If I'm doing 100 sum, in that 20 sums are came or 10 sums are came also. 5 sums came also. I've been extremely happy if you have used it and you have get that marks now. Okay, so I'm trying for that only. So hope for the best. Go for it. Then 17 square, 289 into 5 by 20. Okay, then plus 19 square children. Actually 18 square, isn't it? So 18 square is nothing but 324 into 2 by 20. Then plus what is there? 19 square, 361 into 3 by 20 plus 21 square, 21 is 441 into 3 by 20 plus then 25 square, 625 into 2 by 20 plus 26 square, 676 into 2 by 20. So you want to multiply properly children. If you are multiplying this properly, 196 into 3, you're going to get it as 588 by 20 plus 1445 by 20. Okay, sir, this much lengthy, this and all they will ask in 1 mark, sir. They may ask, they can ask. So normally this type of question I can ask you only mean in 1 mark in my point of view. But if they are asking variance, if they are asking standard deviation, I don't know. That and all I won't study like that if you left now. Unnecessarily this question we supposed to leave. Okay, so when it's, even though it's somewhat lengthy, this question is clear now, we can solve it. Okay, so multiply properly children. I'm just multiplying each. So if I'm talking to you in some other thing also, how multiplying and I'm getting this answer, same way you multiply properly and get the answer. Okay, I have to add all the things. When I supposed to add all the things, anyway divided by 20 will come. Okay, 9 8 6 7. Okay, so I want to divide children. Again 2 table you have not to divide. 3 8 4 4 4.5 by 10 will come, since if I cancel in 2 table. then I will get it as 384.45. This is nothing but E of x square. E of x square value I have got, children, at last. Okay, so now we wanted to find variance. So how to find variance? We want to see variance formula is E of x square minus mean the whole square. What is E of x square value? You want to see, children? E of x square value. So if you're dividing also okay, or if you're not dividing, just you keep keeping this, that 7689 by 20. Okay, since decimal is there, I'm not doing it. If you are doing it also, that is your wish only. Minus mean value. Actually, if you're seeing, I have divided and I have got the mean value. Okay, but when you're doing here for E of x square, mean value I got 19.25 actually. But mean, like that they asked, anyway we want to do this. But if they have just want to substitute, we can write directly 385 by 20. What side are you going to substitute? This is only formula, variance formula. E of x square minus mean the whole square. Exactly. Instead of that mean, you can keep E of x also if they have asked. Okay, E of x square minus E of x the whole square also. So that's been matter. So then apply 385 by 20 the whole square. Yes, ma. Sir, what is this, sir? Again, I am saying this question was asked in student support material. Same question they have asked. So it's been very good for you. So kindly study like anything. Okay. So 20 square, 20 into 20, 385 into 385. Okay. So you want to do easily. Okay. So you know how to do this sum very easily. Anyone? Multiply. Any tricks is there? Any tricks is there? Now I have done like this one trick in shortcut tricks. So for this multiplication trick and all. So even not watched now, kindly go to the playlist and you can see it. Okay. So 20 into 20 multiply 7689 into 20. I got 153780, children. You also check you are getting the same thing or not. 148225. Definitely subtract this. The subtraction and all, how much fastly we are doing, that much is being helpful. Children, the division and all, like I don't want to show you know how to divide. You all know that. So if you are divided, you're supposed to get it as 13.9 ma. Then standard variance, now that's it. If they're asking only variance, I have asked you find variance. So variance is nothing but E of x square minus mean the whole square. So E of x square value we know and the mean we know. Both you have squaring and we are getting it. Is this clear, children? So if you are talking about the standard deviation, definitely you want to take the square root of the variance, that is nothing but root over 13.9. So I think you all know to find that the root over 13.9, but anyway once I am teaching, whoever know already very well 13.9 root, you may skip this now. Okay, so 13.90. So you have to take some numbers which will be a perfect, that means you're going to take the some squares, but it should be closer to 13. Okay, for example, 1 ones are 1, it's not very closer to 13. 2 twos are 4, not closer. 3 threes are 9, I'm not sure whether it is closer. So 3 threes are 9. Okay, 4 fours are 16. 16 is more than 13. So one have to take 3 threes are 9. Then subtract it, get 4. Keep decimal, keep this 90. So you know, children, always you have to come from the back. The decimals are 2 numbers you have to keep. Okay, the decimal is there now, have to do separately. That you should know. Okay, for example, 13.5 you going to do now. You should not ask, sir, you only said 2, 3, 5 together I will take. Okay, wa? Means definitely not okay. Because in the decimal like this comes now, separately only after decimal you have to keep. So you can keep 50, separately 50, 13 separately. So that you should remember. Clear, children, what I am talking? Okay, sir, this and all one question. What sir you are talking? Super. So you want to keep the quotient, always multiply with 2, or these two you supposed to add. Which is easy for you? 3 plus 3, 6 is easier, or always quotient multiply 2 easier. You only have to decide. So I have doing usually multiply with 2. 3 2s are 6. So then have done that in multiplication 6 table. 6 ones are 6. Yeah, instead of the dash you may keep 1. 61 ones are 61, or you may keep instead of that dash you can keep 2. 62 into 2, okay, 124. Like that I have to check. If I'm checking it, I'm getting 7. 67 sounds are 469 is very closer. Okay, so if I'm taking 68, definitely more than 490 will come. So only one decimal is enough in this option. If you're seeing the options, so you wanted to see the option, definitely they're talking about only single decimal only. So we can keep this as 3.7. If you're keeping this 3.7, so we already got 13.9. okay, so as a variance and 3.7. So 13.9 and 3.7, in my point of view, when I'm seeing, I think I got option C. Is this correct, or what is your views? You have to check. Okay, so sometimes again I'm saying I will just correct answer I will do, but when I'm writing the option, sometimes I will write wrongly. So the same mistake you don't repeat. Now I done correctly, but usually I'm saying I have done that. So you don't do that error, because whether we have done correctly or not, and I'll not tell issue on children, shaded properly or not, that matters a lot. Okay, so now question number 3 we are doing successfully. Sir, till now only 2 sums we have completed. Yeah, but anyway, once we are doing this concept, it will be like that only. But what we can do? We are all whom? Hard workers. Okay, so when you are doing one important concept or one sum is very big now, we should not be think, because the sums can be asked in 3 sums. Like suppose if they have asked this question in the case study now, they can ask you mean, they can ask you standard deviation, they can ask you E of x square also, they can ask you variance, they can ask you some formulas like that. 5 mark also they can ask like this question. Okay, so now go for the third question, children. So third question what they have asked. Can we read the third question, ma? Let capital X denotes the number of hours a student denotes to self-study. When we are hearing this word itself, how nice it is, self-study, because during a randomly selected school day, the probability that capital X takes the value X, where K is some unknown constant. So actually when we are studying, that is ultimate. No one should force. We are sitting and we are studying, no? Ultimate. Because how the self-discipline is very, very important. Discipline, we made it as a bad word. But no one forcing. Self-discipline. We are doing ourselves something. Okay. So that will be gives a massive improvement. Okay. So the same way here, self-studies different level, I have to say you. Okay. Coming back to applied mathematics, P of capital X equal to small x. They have given you K if x is 0, Kx if x is 1 or 2, K into 5 minus x, x is 3 or 4, 0 otherwise. This is what they have given you, people. Okay, and they have asked, find the probability. Sir, normally itself you talk, sir, like that. Na? Yeah, I will try. So basically I am from Tamil Nadu, so my language, okay. Control. The probability that a student studies at least 3 hours. Children, kindly underline. Okay, sir, you are doing in video. What's our underline? Nah, you write this word and then underline at least. Okay, at least 3 hours on a day. That's what we wanted to find. So at least 3 hours. So what you have to do now? At least 3 hours they have given you. Okay, before that, can you write in some sense, children? So P of x itself, okay, P of capital X equal to small x. Can you write in another way? So anyway they have given you K, that is for x is 0. So 1 K x equal to 1 also, Kx only. So kindly apply that 1 in this. K into 1. What K? 1, sir. K. X is 1. Then just extend. 2 also you have to apply here. instead of x. 2 into k, 2k. Instead of x is 3 or 4, so again you have to apply here 5 minus 3. Okay, again 2k, x is 3. 0 otherwise, 4 is there. So x is 4 now. 5 minus 4, 1. So again it will be k. So is this clear? Kindly check pa. So I have got these things. So now this is enough for understanding I have written. Okay, p of at least 3 hours. P of at least 3. So that's very, very important. So P of at least 3 can be written in the sense of P of x greater than or equals to 3. Clear? Kindly check, children. So that can be written as P of capital X equal to 3 plus P of capital X equals to 4. At least, that means what? This or more than that, more than or equal to. Okay, at least 3. Sir, at least 100 rupees you give packet money, like that you are asking to your mother. No ma, I have only 200 rupees. Can you get the 200 rupees okay for you na? You will say no. For me only 100 rupees you give. Like that you will say wa. Give. I will take care. Like that you will say wa. Definitely na. At least 100 in the sense 100 or more. If you are giving 200, super. 500, super. So like that you will accept. Same way, at least 3 na. 3 or more than that. So P of x greater than or equal to 3. That can be P of x equals to 3 plus P of x equals to 4. Why is there 4 itself you have stopped there? Other number and all don't know. Otherwise 0 they have given. So P of x equal to 5 there and all answer will be 0 only. So you don't want to do that. Okay. Now P of x equal to 3. X equal to 3 value what they have given? 2k. X equal to 4, what is the value they have given? K. 2k plus k. 2 chocolate plus chocolate. 3 chocolate. See, whatever you see, children. K, that and all, leave. Chocolate, like that you keep and say something. It's not like we are grown up. Anyway, that will be ultimate. So k value we are already found it. I hope so. We didn't find a k value till now. So then we are supposed to find the k value, then only we can get the answer. So how to find the k value? We know total probability. Total probability is 1. Correct? So total probability equals 1. Can you do this, children? Total probability equals 1. So kindly start doing. So what is the total probability? You want to add all the things. K plus what and all? These people. Okay, k plus 2k plus 2k plus k equals 1. That's nothing but 7k equals 1. So k equals 1 by 7. So the k value we have found. Suppose if they are asking just find the value of k. Okay, we don't want to do this p of at least 3 and all. Just total probability 1 and you can get this. So this we have done in question number 1. How many of them remember? Today in this video, question number 1 we have done like that. Total probability 1 I have found the k. So that I want to substitute here 3 into 1 by 7. So we all know the answer will be 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 option is again, can you all see? 3 by 7 option is C in my point of view. Kindly check. Okay. Yeah, sir, 3 by 7 C only, sir. Sir, but 1 by 7 I got the answer. I thought this only answer. I have applied this. What, sir, will happen? Like that and all you won't ask me because wrong, hey, like that we supposed to go for it. But always be positive. Think how I am spending some time, like that you also spend some time. Correct is there, like that. Once you are checking now, definitely you can, okay, what we can say, we won't make mistake and we'll get centum in term 1 examination. 40 out of 40 we supposed to get. That's only the thing we have to remember. Okay, so yes, in this positive note, question number 3 we have completed. Only question number 4 and 5, only 2 questions now. Yeah, wow, happy hey. So coming back, so question number 4. Now tell me ma, question number 4 what they have given us. Okay, Question number 4, they have given you at least is given now. What is the contradiction for that? At most. So that's what the word. Children, today also I want to talk to one teacher. Okay, one CBSE teacher, she informed me regarding the CBSE papers in 10th standard. She is also handling class 10 and as well as 12th standard applied mathematics. When she said one word in CBSE, some sample papers when they are giving, instead of at most, they given at the most, ATTHE, at the most they have given. Children are confused. Ma'am, you have taught at most, you didn't teach at the most, so we have done separate, some other thing like that they have said down. So at most and at the most is same. You should know about it. Clear, children? So it was there in the 10th standard level. Same way, 12th also we should be aware about it. At the most, not something else we should not think. Okay, again. So now think about at most, children, or at the most, whatever. So what you have to do? The same criteria. What I have said for you, at least, children. At least na 100 rupees packet money you have asked. If your mother given 200 rupees or more than 100, you will be always accept. Minimum you need 100. Minimum 100 rupees you need, maximum whatever. The same way now in your mother's side or your father's side. So they are saying, hey, I will give you 10 rupees packet money. That's it. If you want, get. Otherwise, go. Like that they said, nah. You will, if you are saying, for getting this 10 rupees money, I don't want money itself. Like that you are saying, nah. Very happy. 10 rupees savings for me. So I will keep in my packet itself. Like that your mother or father will say. So what you will say, give. Like that you may get. Or if you are not getting, so also it is savings for, or it will be good for your family only. Okay, wow. So what does I'm saying now? At most or at the most, now that is the top. Less than or equal to 2 hours less. So that you should know. Okay, at least now more than or equal to. At least. Okay, always remember more than or equal to. Okay, so you should not forget this. In 10th standard itself we have studied this. Like anyway, at most or at the most, both are same. Okay, so in that way, less than or equal to. So is this clear? Check, children. So don't forget, very important. So now what we want to do this now, we want to start solving the sum. Question number 4. So they have given P of capital X equal to Xi. They have given this. You all can read this. So what is the probability that the person watches at most 2 hours of television on a selected day? 2 hours only watching TV, 2 hours itself more only. Okay, move on. So P of X at most X less than or equals to. Correct, children? At most na. Okay, that means this is what less than or equal to. I have said you. At least na greater than or equal to. More than or equal to or greater than or equal to, whatever you can consider. Okay, ma. So now P of X less than or equal to 2 now what will come? It can come P of X is 0. It can come P of X is 1. It can be P of X is 2. Okay. So we have to add, children. P of X is 0 is K. P of X is 1 is, how P of X is 0 is K? Can you just check? Okay, so actually P of X is 0 is actually, when you are seeing it, it is 0.2. Okay, va? Usually I will write K, va? The same way I have written. So be careful. P of X is 0 na 0.2. If I apply 1 na, 1 into K, K. If I apply 2 na, children, instead of Xi I have to apply 1 na. 1 into K, K. 2 you have to apply. K into 2, 2K. Okay. If you are doing it, these all equal. Okay. These all you want to add equals to dash 0.2 plus 3K, you will get it. Okay. So, but before that, again, we want to do the total probability. So, what is the total probability, children? You all know that total probability is nothing but 1. So find the total probability equals 1. That means these all that you want to add. Okay, so that means 0.2 plus K plus 2K. Then also these people, this buddy. 3 you have to apply here. 5 minus 3, 2. Again 2k equals 1. Chocolate plus 2 chocolate plus 2 chocolate. I got 5 chocolates, children. 5k equals 1 minus 0.2. That is nothing but 5k equals 0.8. K equals 0.8 by 5. Sir, what sir this? What they have given, that only I am multiplying, doing, children. So I am not doing anything else. Okay, k equals you have to get 8 by 50. If you are cancelling, you are getting 4 by 25. So k is 4 by 25 I am getting, children. What about you? Is this correct for you? You all getting k 4 by 25? Total probability 1 0.2. Then when you are applying k, 2 you are applying 2k. Then again 3 you are applying 5 minus 3 2k equals 1. Already they have given for this. This plus point alone goes at China minus 0.2. Get the k value and you are getting this. Till now is clear, check, children. That k you want to apply here. Where 0.2, okay, plus 3 into k value. K value is 4 by 25. So then at last what you will get it? Can you tell me? So 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. Then 4 3s are 12. 12 by 25. If you are taking LCM, 10 plus, okay, 24, all this if you are done now, I am getting the answer 34 by 50. If I am cancelling 34 by 50 now, I got 17 by 25. Again, very important thing, I have to check the option 17 by 25. In my point of view, option D. D for doll or daughter. Yeah, I think some daughters may watch this video. So if you are dad's little princess, kindly like this video and subscribe. Why this one advertisement? Okay, coming back to mathematics. So we are doing total probability 1 and get the k value that you have applied. Sir, why sir each time total probability last you are writing? First itself you can do, then you can do. No sir, exactly. That is your wish. I am very particularly about p of x less than or equal to. I have substituted. I am getting it. Now only k value I need. So I have done this total probability and k value I got and I substituting. So that is all our wish. How we are going to do? That's you only have to decide. So one good news. This video last but not least, 5th question we going to solve. So a fair die is thrown. Find out the expected value of its outcomes. So it's like a tabular column. So one fair die in a dice, when you thrown, what and all can be happen? It can come 1 2 3. Children, how many of them know dice pa? So you all know the dice, no? So dice have 1 2 3 4 5 6, isn't it? I think I have a dice, so I can just show you. Okay, I think you all watched the dice already. Anyway, I will show you once. Okay, so where my dice? Yes, I can show you. I think so. Can you all see my dice? We didn't see dice. Yes, showing. That means like very precious one. Okay, anyway, 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, children. Okay, wow. So after that I didn't show the die like that. You should not say it to me. I have showed you. Okay, coming back, what you have to do? Probability of each tabular column. So what is the probability of getting each, children? So this is x and p of x. So 1 can come how many times? 1 is coming. If I'm just throwing you, okay, so what is the possibility of getting 1? 1 can come only one chance. So 1 you may write it as 1 by 6. Correct? So 2, children, 2 can come how many chances? 3 can come, 4 5 6. Each how many chances? What is the probability of getting these things? What question? This same only, 1 by 6. 2 also can come only one chance, 3 also one chance, 4 also one chance, 5 also one chance, 6 also one chance. That they have asked us to find expected value of its outcomes. So you have to find E of x, children. That means mean. So mean, now we all know that how to do it. Can we? So just start doing this. 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 6 plus 4 times 1 by 6 plus 5 times 1 by 6 plus 6 times 1 by 6. So when I have done this, adding all the things, what you are getting? Check, I am getting 21 by 6, that is nothing but 7 by 2, that is nothing but 3.5. Only expected value they asked. Very happy. So 3.5 is there in the option B in my point of view. So what and all I have done? Fair die is thrown. To find out the expected value, I have just done the tabular column. So I have multiplied E of x summation x into P of x. So 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6, like that I have multiplied and I have got the answer. So till now any doubts is there, you can ask me. So now you can give the comments also, children, what you have understand, or when I am talking in English is good, or anyone been good or not. Now we are going to talk about that homework today. So what is the homework? So question number 1, probability distribution. E of x only they are asking. Very simple, you know, sigma x p of x, easily going to multiply and get the answer. Then second one, E of x square alone we are asking. So you know, summation x square into P of x, apply and get the answer. Third question, for a random variable x, E of x equals to 3, E of x square is 11, variance. You all know variance formula, E of x square minus mean the whole square. That means E of x the whole square, apply and get the answer. Now go for question number 4, random variable x has the following probability distribution. They have given this, they are asking value of k. You know, when they are asking value of k, you have to do total probability equals to 1 and get the answer. Question number 5, if you are reading, you will understand probability of at most 2 hours. Now only we done, at least also we have done, at most also we have done. So at most you know how to do, okay. So they have to apply properly and get the answer. I hope so it's clear, children. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment, and kindly share this video to the applied mathematics students. Definitely I hope so it will be helpful for them, and kindly comment. After your comment only these people are seeing, and I have to do more videos like that. I will get, the teachers will get the interest. So I hope so we'll do better, and I'm praying and I'm just hoping that you people all will get wonderful marks and get centum in applied mathematics. All the very best. Thank you.